Agicerera kuria Mukawa ucio urathie na mbere na gwakwo gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia imenti ya Rugongo, Ngabana wa kaunti ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi augite mwaka ucio uri ungiratuikire Mukawa warika ugutuika wabici cia aruti a wira a thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru. Kiraitu augite hatire bata wa gwaka mukawa ungi munene kuona ati kaunti ino ina mikawa ingi minene ya andu kiumbe.
And as government, we convert these ones into offices because our officers in the county government are not properly accommodated and we don't have a good working environment.
Kiraitu augite itua riri ni riguteithiriria kurehe hamwe aruti wira a thirikari ya county undu uria ukugacirithia motungata ma county ino.
We have all those hotels which were done by African tours and hotels by the national government, and they all collapsed. None of them has made money. So we think that is not the route for us to go as a county. We think it is easier, it is better business, for us to operate as an office block and pay rent to the Meru Investment and Development Corporation.
Waki ucio urabangirwo kuhuthira ciringi milioni 184 handu-ini ha Inooro TV. Geto Muthoni wa Wangari.